Hi everybody, what's going on? It is the newsletter, and this month I really want to focus on a couple things because I think a lot of folks are really confused with what's going on, and I think a lot of sellers and buyers don't know what to do, right? So the Fed expects to increase rates 4 more times throughout the year. What does that mean? Rates go up. Technically, prices should go down. Why? Because affordability goes down. It becomes harder for these buyers that were able to afford more house to now afford the same amount of house because now their debt to income ratios and their monthly payments will be much tighter. But that's not the biggest concern, guys. What I'm seeing out there, right? The biggest concern that I continue to see is supply is not changing. I use Rhode Island as a template for that, right? So Rhode Island right now, 550 approximate single families in Rhode Island for sale. What does that mean? It means that we are so far down in inventory that even with the 4 rate hikes, I don't expect demand to really go down too much. Why? Because buyers just start to move down, right? They just start to move down the totem pole to what they can afford. So I think it's important to realize, guys, if you're a seller, I truly believe the next 12 to 18 months is the time to maximize on this market. Inventory's low, will remain low for the next 12 to 18 months. Rates will start to creep higher over the next 12 months, right? Buyer demand will remain strong. So if you're a seller, get out there, get your stuff looked at, get it evaluated, and get it on the market. If you're a buyer, understand as rates go up, your payment gets higher. You may overpay for a house, but with the rates being so low, your payment may actually be lower. Guys, reach out to me if you have any questions. Another great month of sales, helping buyers and sellers every single month. Looking forward to talking to you soon.